each card, and what each color will mean, depending on how well behaved you have been throughout the school year. And then you will
No Dave and Buster's. No Dave and Buster's. No Five Guys. No McDonald's. No Burger King. No baby movies. No baby video games. No baby food. And furthermore,
you have lots and lots and lots and
As Attorney General, Bill Schuette supported Congress's plan to take away protections for people with pre-existing.
Nothing happens. Nothing happens. So you may return to your seats. Clifford, but you have to see me after class for 5 minutes. Please return to your seats after I give you your card.
Oh no, I got the lavender card.
I'm sorry, Digit, but you'll have to ask for you
cards
to retrieve your reward. And we'll see you in August. Go to the school here. Read your. You both get a year off. You both get her off. Go to the principal's office to retrieve your rewards.
Yay, Miss Mart.
Have been the most well behaved.
it's just that
As Attorney General, Bill Schuette supported Congress's plan to take away protections for people with
this time.
And stop crying like a baby. You know you were a naughty boy.
Guys, it's very loud.
I got the black card. Miss Martin, can you please give me another chance?
Okay, I'm back.
Rosie, I can't believe you got the black card at school. That's it. You're triple, quadruple grounded. That means no Peter Piper pizza. No. No Dave and Buster's. No Five Guys. No McDonald's. No Burger King. No baby movies. No baby video games. No baby food. And furthermore,
you have lots and lots and lots and lots and lots of homework this summer, and you will not be doing anything except homework until we transfer you to a new school. You will also not be going to Chuck E. Cheese's until you stop getting in Dad meat. Now go upstairs to your room now, and don't come out until I say so. And don't come out until I say so.
and Caillou, we are all so proud of you for getting a yellow card in class. You've come a long way from last year. This means you're ungrounded.
And this means we have a very, very, very special surprise for you. What is it, guys?
We are going to Chuck E. Cheese's to celebrate the moment. And Daisy, you better promise that you won't destroy Chuck E. Cheese's this time. This is very special for Caillou.
Yeah, Daisy won't destroy Chuck E. Cheese's this time. Daisy now like Chuck E. Cheese's. Wow, Daisy really loved Chuck E. Cheese a lot. I told you you really like it.